So here's how to customize footer in Wix website. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account. Then you have to go to the dashboard and click on the design site option. After that, you will be able to view the editor of your Wix website. Here you have to simply go to the footer section. To customize your footer, you have to right click on the footer menu. Then you will be able to view this menu. From here, click on the gear icon. Here you have to enable the freeze footer option and now click on this pencil icon. Take a look. Here you will be able to customize your footer. Moving to the next step is you have to simply select each section and then you have to customize it. If you want to customize the footer for your mobile site, you have to simply click on the mobile icon at the top. After that, you can make changes on your footer menu. Here you can also add an email subscribers form. If you want to change the background color of the footer menu, you can easily do it. So that's how to customize footer on Wix.